Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jell.
Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jell, and well, VLOOKUP week continues. Monday, we talked about the basic VLOOKUP, and then yesterday, what to do when you get a single NA. Well, now I have a very frustrating problem. Look at this. All of my VLOOKUPs are returning NAs, every single one of them. And the first thing I do when this happens is I try and find the value. BG33-8, there it is. Let me cruise through my table over here. Oh, there it is. It's in both places. What's going on? All right, well, hey, press F2 over here, and you see the flashing insertion point is right after the 8. Okay, let's go back to the other one. BG33-8 over here in A2, press F2. Oh, look at that. There's spaces after the 8, some trailing spaces, very common in a COBOL data set. Back in the days of COBOL, they would say, okay, item number gets 9 characters, or 8 characters, or 10 characters, and if you don't fill it up, they write pad with spaces. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to come here, and instead of looking up A2, there's a great function. Do you know what it is? It's the trim function. Trim takes leading and trailing spaces off the data, and now our VLOOKUP starts to work again. Bam, we're great. Now, what if the problem is opposite? What if this one doesn't have the spaces, but our lookup table does have the spaces? I have an example of that. Go on to the next worksheet here. So now this one, press F2, see the insertion point is right after the 8. And here, press F2, there's where we have the extra spaces. Well, what I would do is I would come here and say equal trim, shoot that down, double click the fill handle, and then we will just right click, drag right, say copy here as values only. That gets rid of the spaces, and now you see all of our VLOOKUPs work over here. All right, so very common way to go. The other place where I've seen this happen is if we have numbers in one place and in the other place numbers stored as text. You need to get rid of those numbers stored as text on one side or the other to allow your VLOOKUPs to work. So a couple of NAs are normal. All NAs, good place to check is to see if there's some leading or trailing spaces. Annoyingly, upper and lowercase has no problems at all. It could be BG capital over here and lowercase bg over there. It finds a match. So Excel has no problems with the upper and lowercase, but it's the invisible spaces that we can't see that are causing the problem. All right, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.